Elon Musk is a name synonymous with innovation, ambition, and a relentless pursuit of the extraordinary. His journey from a curious child in South Africa to a global icon of technological advancement is nothing short of remarkable. Born in South Africa in 1971, Musk has become a global icon, captivating the world with his audacious ventures and unwavering belief in the power of technology to revolutionize our future. From a young age, Musk exhibited a keen interest in computing and technology, teaching himself computer programming at the age of 12. As the CEO and chief engineer of SpaceX, Musk has redefined the possibilities of space travel. His vision of making humanity a multiplanetary species has driven SpaceX to achieve milestones once thought impossible, such as the successful landing and reuse of orbital rockets. As the CEO and product architect of Tesla Inc., Musk has revolutionized the automotive industry. Tesla's electric vehicles have not only set new standards for performance and safety, but have also accelerated the world's transition to sustainable energy. As the founder of the Boring Company, Musk aims to solve urban transportation challenges through innovative tunneling technology. His vision includes creating a network of underground tunnels to alleviate traffic congestion in major cities. And as the co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI, Musk is at the forefront of advancements in artificial intelligence and brain-machine interfaces. These ventures aim to enhance human capabilities and ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. Musk's influence extends across a multitude of industries, from space exploration and electric vehicles to artificial intelligence and sustainable energy. His ventures are not just businesses, they are missions to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. Musk's journey is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the transformative potential of unwavering determination. His relentless drive and willingness to take risks have propelled him to the forefront of innovation. He embodies the spirit of a true visionary, unafraid to challenge conventional wisdom and push the boundaries of what's possible. His ability to envision the future and work tirelessly towards it sets him apart from many of his contemporaries. His unwavering commitment to tackling humanity's greatest challenges, from climate change to the future of transportation, has earned him both admiration and criticism. Yet, it is this very commitment that drives progress and inspires change. Despite the controversies that sometimes surround him, there's no denying Musk's profound impact on the world. His bold ideas and ambitious projects have sparked debates, but they have also ignited imaginations and driven technological advancements. He has ignited imaginations, inspired countless individuals, and propelled humanity towards a future brimming with possibilities. His work has not only changed industries but has also inspired a new generation of thinkers and doers. His story is a source of inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs, dreamers, and anyone who dares to challenge the status quo. Musk's journey shows that with vision, determination, and a willingness to take risks, anything is possible. Musk's life and work offer a glimpse into the mind of a relentless innovator, a risk-taker who thrives on pushing the limits of human achievement. His ability to turn ambitious dreams into reality is a testament to his extraordinary vision and tenacity. His story is a testament to the power of big thinking, unwavering belief, and the courage to pursue even the most ambitious of dreams. Musk's legacy will undoubtedly continue to inspire and shape the future for generations to come. Elon Musk's early life was a blend of privilege and isolation, shaping the foundation for his future endeavors. Growing up in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk was surrounded by a world that was both nurturing and challenging. His parents, Errol and May Musk, provided a comfortable lifestyle, but the young Elon often felt a sense of detachment from his surroundings. Born in Pretoria, South Africa in 1971, Musk displayed an early aptitude for technology and a thirst for knowledge that set him apart from his peers. His curiosity was insatiable, and he would spend hours exploring the inner workings of various gadgets and devices. This early fascination with technology was a precursor to his later achievements in the tech industry. His father, an electromechanical engineer, and his mother, a model and nutritionist, provided a comfortable upbringing. But Musk often found himself lost in books and computers, his mind teeming with ideas. The influence of his father's engineering background was evident as Elon would often join him in working on various projects, learning the basics of engineering and problem-solving. From a young age, Musk was drawn to science fiction, devouring the works of Isaac Asimov and Douglas Adams. These stories were not just entertainment for him, they were a source of inspiration and a window into a world of endless possibilities. The themes of space exploration, advanced technology, and futuristic societies captivated his imagination. These stories sparked his imagination, instilling in him a fascination with space travel, artificial intelligence, and the future of humanity. He would often gaze at the night sky, dreaming of what lay beyond the stars and envisioning a future where humanity could explore the cosmos. This sense of wonder and curiosity would become a driving force in his later ventures. At the age of 10, he taught himself computer programming, a skill that would later become instrumental in his entrepreneurial pursuits. He spent countless hours learning to code, creating simple programs and games. This self-taught skill not only showcased his determination, but also laid the groundwork for his future success in the tech industry. While Musk excelled academically, his school years were marked by loneliness and a sense of being different. He often felt out of place among his peers who did not share his intense interests and passions. This sense of isolation was compounded by the bullying he endured, which made his school life even more challenging. He was often bullied, finding solace in his books and his burgeoning passion for technology. The harsh experiences of his school years only strengthened his resolve to succeed and to prove his detractors wrong. Books and technology became his refuge, providing an escape from the difficulties he faced in his daily life. This early experience instilled in him a strong sense of independence and a determination to forge his own path. He learned to rely on himself and to pursue his goals with unwavering focus. This independence would later be a key factor in his ability to innovate and to challenge established norms in various industries. By the age of 12, Musk had already created and sold his first computer game, a testament to his early entrepreneurial spirit and his innate ability to turn his ideas into reality. This achievement was not just a milestone in his young life but also a glimpse into the future of a man who would go on to revolutionize multiple industries. This early success fueled his ambition, setting the stage for a life dedicated to pushing the boundaries of innovation and transforming the world with his groundbreaking ventures. From his childhood dreams to his relentless drive, Elon Musk's early years were a testament to the power of imagination, determination, and the pursuit of knowledge. At the age of 17, driven by a desire to escape the confines of apartheid-era South Africa, Elon Musk embarked on a journey that would eventually lead him to become one of the most influential figures in the tech world. Growing up in Pretoria, Musk was acutely aware of the limitations imposed by the political and social environment of the time. His early life was marked by a sense of curiosity and a relentless drive to explore beyond the boundaries set before him. And pursue his dreams on a larger stage, Musk moved to Canada, his mother's native country. This move was not just a change of scenery, but a significant step towards a future filled with possibilities. Canada represented a land of opportunity, a place where Musk could begin to lay the groundwork for his ambitious goals. He enrolled at Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario, immersing himself in the world of academia. Here, he was exposed to new ideas and perspectives that would shape his thinking and fuel his aspirations. The university environment provided Musk with the intellectual stimulation he craved and the freedom to explore his interests in science and technology, and embracing the opportunities presented by his newfound freedom. The diverse and inclusive atmosphere at Queen's allowed Musk to thrive, both academically and socially. He quickly became known for his intense focus and his ability to think outside the box, qualities that would serve him well in his future endeavors. While at Queen's, Musk met Justine Wilson, a fellow student who would later become his first wife. Their relationship was built on mutual respect and shared ambitions, and it provided Musk with a sense of stability and support during his formative years. After 2 years, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he pursued a dual degree in physics and economics. This decision was driven by Musk's desire to gain a deeper understanding of the fundamental principles that govern the universe and the economic systems that drive human progress. It was during this time that Musk's entrepreneurial spirit truly began to flourish. Surrounded by like-minded individuals and inspired by the rapid advancements in technology, Musk started to envision a future where he could make a significant impact. Recognizing the transformative potential of the burgeoning internet, Musk and a classmate, Adeo Resi, started a company called Pinpoint, a digital city guide that predated the likes of Yelp. This venture was Musk's first foray into the world of startups, and it provided him with invaluable lessons in business and technology. Though Pinpoint eventually dissolved, it provided Musk with invaluable experience in the world of startups. The challenges and setbacks he faced during this time only strengthened his resolve and deepened his understanding of what it takes to succeed in the competitive tech industry, and solidified his belief in the power of technology to disrupt traditional industries. Musk became increasingly convinced that with the right ideas and the right execution, technology could be a force for positive change, capable of solving some of the world's most pressing problems. In 1995, at the age of 24, Musk moved to Silicon Valley, the epicenter of the tech boom. This move was a calculated risk, driven by Musk's belief that Silicon Valley was the best place to turn his ambitious ideas into reality. He enrolled in a PhD program in applied physics at Stanford University, but dropped out after just 2 days, convinced that the internet offered a more immediate opportunity to make a significant impact on the world. This bold decision marked a turning point in Musk's life, setting him on a path that would lead to groundbreaking innovations and transformative ventures. Convinced that the internet offered a more immediate opportunity to make a significant impact on the world. Musk's decision to leave Stanford was not made lightly, but it was driven by his unwavering belief in the potential of the internet to revolutionize industries and change lives. This pivotal decision marked the beginning of Musk's extraordinary journey as a serial entrepreneur, one that would see him revolutionize industries and redefine what's possible. From his early ventures to his later successes with companies like Tesla and SpaceX, Musk's journey is a testament to the power of vision, determination, and innovation, one that would see him revolutionize industries and redefine what's possible. Musk's story is not just about personal success, it's about the relentless pursuit of a better future for humanity, driven by a belief in the transformative power of technology. With the internet rapidly gaining traction in the mid-1990s, Musk recognized its potential to transform the way businesses operated and interacted with customers. In 1995, he co-founded Zip2 with his brother, Kimball Musk, using $28,000 of their father's money. Zip2 was a groundbreaking online city guide that provided businesses with a platform to reach local customers, offering maps, directions, and business listings. At a time when most businesses were still struggling to grasp the implications of the internet, Musk understood its power to connect businesses with consumers in a way that had never been possible before. He poured all his energy and resources into Zip2, working tirelessly to develop the technology and secure funding. Zip2's innovative approach quickly gained traction, attracting the attention of major media companies like the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune. The company's success in providing businesses with a digital presence helped pave the way for the online directory and review sites that are ubiquitous today. In 1999, at the height of the dot-com boom, Compaq acquired Zip2 for a staggering $307 million, making Musk a multimillionaire at the age of 28. This early success cemented his reputation as a visionary entrepreneur and provided him with the capital and confidence to pursue even more ambitious ventures.